Are we all conditioned to think that men cannot show certain kind of emotions, especially in front of others? Ladies and gentlemen, all of us have grown up with these so-called stereotypes. Is it time to shave them off? Is it time to actually realize it's okay? It's okay to not just shed tears. It's okay to express. It's okay to show you care. It's okay to show that we are affected. Have a look at this.
That's the toughest man I know. Air Force veteran Bishwanath Sinha, my dad. I remember as a child I was chased by an angry bull and I ran straight towards him crying. He held me in his arms and said, "Wipe those tears off. You are a man." I guess I stopped crying because I wanted to be like him, tough and strong. So no matter how hard you've taken a hit, no tears. And so I hid my pain like Dad would want me to.
हाँ तो पहले ये करो ये है क्या
I did not want him to see my wounds, that I am weak. I was being a man. But this time, he didn't ask me to wipe my tears off. That moment changed it all. That's the day we both realized that showing what you really feel doesn't make you less of a man. Raising a strong boy also meant telling him it was okay. It was okay for boys to cry. Men can cry. Even soldiers can cry. Because our pain reveals the best in us.
Truth, men do cry. And the person you saw narrate his tale as a Fauji, as a child, is there with me in the studios today along with other faces who are very, very familiar. Lieutenant Colonel M.K. Sinha, there with us, trying to shave these stereotypes. Colonel Sinha, that's your story. Before I get to anything else and I introduce everybody else, I just want to understand from you. Was it so true? Did it happen even when you were a Fauji? That you couldn't show your actual emotion?
In Fauj, yes, at times. But especially after this episode, in which I broke down with my dad, that broke all the barriers, and henceforth I've never held back in showing my emotions. But before that, yes, I used to, because I felt that my dad had told me that never to let your emotions fear show.
Did you feel less of a Fauji, less of a soldier because you cried?
No, absolutely. In fact, it liberated me after that, and since then I've been living a very, very liberated life, and I've always been proud. After this episode, I've always been very proud of showing that I cry. Yes.
What actually brought up those tears? What actually told you? How many years didn't you cry? How many years was it since that you held back your tears?
I think must have been about 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah. Not that I didn't cry. I cried in solitude.
But 20 years before you expressed yourself in front of others, you told somebody else that I'm feeling some pain.
Yes.
But what was that moment which said, ab bahut ho gaya?
No, there were a lot of things. You know, me and my dad are one of the best buddies. So we speak about everything. But this moment, even after that, we haven't spoken about it. We've spoken about everything, but this we haven't spoken. We've just experienced and probably we understand. I understand what he felt, and those थोड़ा सा इसका background है. You know, as my father, I've come from Bihar and rural background and olden days, law and order, no electricity. So, and my father was in Air Force, so I grew up in Air Force stations. So whenever we used to go back home on holidays, so moment we stepped down from the bullock cart, you know, that's how we used to reach. He expected me to be as tough and as brave as the village guys. Immediately. And there he felt that I'm not living up to those standards of the village guys. So he would immediately tell, because dark days, no electricity, रात को गांव के लोग लड़के, they used to just run, go anywhere, everything, even for your normal nature's call, they would go unhesitantly a kilometer away through the bamboo jungle. And for me, like, it was like scary, and कहानियाँ सुनते रहते थे, उसको सांप ने काट लिया, उसको सांप ने काट लिया, आज वहाँ किसी ने भूत देखा, and all those things. So for me to immediately come from a outside world and match those guys was difficult. I was not able to live up to his expectation, and that was his yardstick for me. He never told me that, but I felt so. And back into the Air Force station, I was probably the toughest guy of all the people. But this was there. Even when I became an officer, I felt I have lived up to it, but subconsciously I knew that he's still comparing me with those guys. And it is this moment, what happened later on, what I analyzed is that moment after I got this injury and he got a call, so moment he landed at the airport, from there he was received by my boys who used to fight the battles with me. So probably he started listening to the stories of my behavior and whatever, the courage and all those things, saab to ghus jata hai, darta nahi, and all those things from right there. Till the time he reached to the hospital, he must have met my commanding officer, my officers, my senior officers. And when he reached, I was subconscious. So doctor also told him that he survived because he was very, very brave and courageous. So probably for the first time, he felt that this guy has exceeded my limitation, exceeded my expectations, what I had put forth for him. And that's when I think it was, those tears were obviously as a concern for the injury that I had. But I think more than that, it was pride that I had lived up to his expectation. And it further became clear to me, because the world may, you know, appreciate and all is okay. But when we went back to the village next time around, and my relatives, you know, cousin brothers and all those things, chacha tau and all that took me around, ye dekho, हमारे परिवार का लड़का, you know, गोली खाया, and then थोड़ा exaggerate भी करते थे, 10 मारा इसने 20 मारा and all those things. And it was condemned. And they were very proud that I belonged to that family. So now you suddenly became a symbol of courage for that same family.
Which thought you were a darpok?
I don't know whether they thought but my father wanted me to be that way. Not that the uncles and all used to tell my dad. My dad is the youngest of all his brothers. Yeah, abhi bahar se aaya, don't expect him to suddenly be that. Give him some time, but he always wanted anybody to be upset like that. And suddenly those same people, you know, when he looked at them, so for him probably that was his world. Rather than, मतलब उस दिन तो नहीं था, अगर मेरे को मतलब पूरी दुनिया के सामने भी ऑनर किया जाता, that would have been lesser, but गांव के लोगों के सामने, when people were talking with pride, that was his moment of
कि गांव वालों ने मान लिया कि मेरा बेटा शेर है.
Yes, and the village was proud of me. Wherever I used to go, मतलब they used to take me. चलो उस गांव में चलेंगे. Normal गांव में rivalry भी होती है ना, बिहार है. कि अभी देखो हमारे गांव का ये लड़का है, ऐसा करके आया है. थोड़ा नंबर्स बढ़ा चढ़ा के फेंकते भी थे कि ना, इतने मार दिए. मेरे को थोड़ा एम्बैरेस भी होता. बोला आप रहो, बैठो चुप, हम बता रहे कहानी आपको.
But एक बात बताइए, you said for your father it was a moment of pride when the tears came. You thought, finally my father is proud of me.
Proud of me.
That was, and I think आप दुनिया में चाहे कुछ भी achieve कर लो, you wanted to get your father to be proud of you.
Yes, I wanted to be. And the moment I saw those tears, I knew that I've achieved it.
So for your emotion was the fact that finally my father is proud of me, or was it a different emotion when you both were actually sharing tears?
I was seeing a mask coming off, which my father was holding it in front of me.
What was that mask?
That I probably knew that, as you saw in the video, no, stop crying, wipe those tears off. You're a man. So initially, yes. But then as I grew up in maturity, I felt that he was putting up a mask, because whenever we used to part, he used to drop me at a railway station or I leave the house. So he hugged me when we used to hug, and when he turned back, I probably felt that he has tears. He's not trying to show me. And I also was holding my tears because he told not to show your tears. So once the train moved off, then I could also, you know.
So you would cry in solitude but never together?
Never together. Never.
And did you break a barrier in terms of equation? You saying ki you and your father have not spoken about that incident yet.
No, no.
But you believe that you've crossed a barrier?
Yes, yes, yes.
You've reached the next level as far as
Yeah,
the
yeah,
relationship
we
is
reached the
concerned.
next level beyond that. And to be, आप पूरी दुनिया में सम्मान जीत सकते हैं, लेकिन पिताजी का सम्मान मिल जाए, that's better than the most prestigious award and whatever the world can give you.
और हर बच्चा ये समझता है.
Yeah.
Everybody understands this. Somewhere it comes, no, that
हाँ.
you want to win the respect of your
Yes, win the
parent,
respect, win the respect.
be it father or be it mother.